10 Corpus, Grade 6 Gomez. Experiment in Science. Honey lemon ginger tea for cold and flu. Number 1. Problem. How to prepare a herbal medicine from the community. Number 2. Materials. Pot, strainer, ladle, spoon, knife, and chopping board. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed calamansi juice, 1 piece of freshly peeled ginger, teaspoon of honey. Third procedures. Number 1. Cut the ginger into thin slices. Number 2. Put 2 cups of water in a pot. Then place the thinly sliced ginger. Cover, then bring it to boil. Reduce heat to low and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 3. Remove the ginger from the water. Pour it in a glass. Number 4. Add the freshly squeezed lemon or calamansi juice. And then add a 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Stir it to dissolve the mixture. Number 5. It's now ready to serve. Now I'm gonna try and taste it. Number 4. Conclusion. I therefore conclude that drinking tea made with honey, lemon, and ginger helps to treat cold and flu. It also has a lot of health benefits that help to boost our immune system.